To improve your American English pronunciation, you need to start swallowing some letters. That's exactly what we do with words like internet, which often sounds more like internet. When T comes after N, it often becomes very weak. So internet becomes internet. International becomes international. Interview, interview. 2020. It's not a strong T, and it's not really a full D either. It's almost as if the N gets doubled. If you want to sound more American when you speak English, make this T lighter. And follow this profile so you don't miss our next videos about American English pronunciation.